Okay, so now we're going to talk about the decomposition of a function. So they give us this function right here that's kind of complicated. It's like a square root function kind of in there, but then it's got a polynomial in there. And so they want us to split it up, to break it up into simpler pieces. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this inside the square root, the radicand, and we're going to make that one function. Oops, we can't call it f though. Got to have a new name for it. We'll call it h of x. So we're going to say h of x equals 5 minus x squared. Well, then we're going to say g of x is equal to the square root of something, the square root of x. Okay? So we keep the variable x, so it'll transfer okay. And our first function, we made that like the radicand part, and then the second took care of the radical part. Okay. Now, we have to write the composition, and it makes a difference which one comes first. Do you want g to go into h, or do you want h to go into g? Well, we're trying to get this, right? So you want h to go into g. Therefore, ours is going to be g of h of x, or you could write that as g of h of x. And you could check it, okay? So you could say, let me check that. So h of x, I'm putting that in, putting this in to that. So I get, this is like the check, I'm getting that to be the square root of 5 minus x squared. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Okay, so this is the answer right here. I don't care which way you write it, this way or that way, so that's just a notation thing. But it's called the decomposition of functions. These are the two functions that we're decomposing. So you'd have to give both the functions and then how the composition works. Okay?